Hi, hello. Welcome to the Coding Nirchukuntam my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well. Let's get this start this session. Today we use Visual Studio Code. We open now Visual Studio new text file. I'm writing the HTML code automatic some short key. First you can save the empty text file. I'm saving my desktop in demo03.html. HTML means this is a extension. Every HTML file should have compulsory save in .html extension. After that, I'm open the browser in Mozilla Firefox. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. Display in HTML result. However, I'm texting Visual Code. I'm checking the browser in browser. Every time you should know every HTML file open in browser only. Don't forget it. The second approach for how to open the HTML file in Visual Code. This is we edit the code for any time. First we open the browser. Open with any open the browser. After that, this is direct open in Visual Studio. After that, we can edit any time any text. Now direct I'm go to the desktop. After that, I'm double click on my saving folder. This is going to direct browser for display the result. Second approach is Visual Studio. Open the Visual Studio in left side and click on corner button. That is display file. Open file. File in open file. After that, select the desktop. I'm in saving desktop. My folder name is demo3. Direct open the my coding. What I'm writing code, that is open. Now I'm edit to anything. I'm writing the thank you text in HTML edit file. Now display on browser. Check it once. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.